السلام علیکم پګو دوستانو سمون انلاین ټي وي ته ښه راغلاست. نن مجيب الرحمن د بیگ باش په سیلو کې څلور اوره ترسره کړل. ډېر په زړه پورې بالینګ وکړه او پنځه لوبغاړي وشول. والله د ویډیو په ګډه وګورو.
And it's going to be harder for him to grip. McDermott! Might have played over the top of it. What a start from Najib. One. Hey! For him! That's an enormous wicket. The number 2 T20 bowler in the world knocks over the number 1 T20 batsman in the world. They're on. That's a quicker one. He's going to get another one. Najib the magician. 3 for.
The ball's in our court now. We play smart cricket and hopefully get off to a nice start. We'll control the innings.
Dini, we'll let you congratulate the man and we'll quiet down as he...
देर वक्त बाद में वलीदे संगे वाखयाम तेरा मनाना मनाना thank you for being my coach, my dialogue coach. तेरा मनाना